Good day, lovely people of the earth. As you can see, we are on the road papunta doon sa aming pag-i-stayhan for the night. So that was the night before birthday ng aming bunsoy. Pupunta kami sa Digos Hills dito sa DRT, Bulacan, para doon magstay overnight and then mag-swimming na rin kinabukasan. So yan, look at that. Kinaumagahan. So syempre, tinake ko na itong opportunity para ma-video, ma-capture ang napakagandang tanawin dito sa may Digos Hills. So if you're a nature lover, mahilig kayong mag-camping, mahilig kayong manood ng magagandang views dyan, so this is the place that you might wanna go to. Look how the beautiful sun is. Ganda. Sige, mamaya. Sunod dun kay Sanji. Mag-unaw na si Sanji, mukhang alam niya.
Mula yung tubig. Ligo na ako. Kanina ka pa naliligo dyan, boy.
Happy birthday, Bonsoy! Happy birthday, Bonsoy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Bonsoy! Isutin mo yung birthday girl. Happy birthday to you! Pakita ka! Bati! Maligayang bati! Birthday na. Ito nung birthday mo, nag-experience tayo. Sa bahay. Sanji. Happy birthday, Bonsoy. We love you forever and ever. Kana, sing. Happy birthday, Bonsoy. Happy birthday, Yan. Happy birthday, Bonsoy. Happy birthday, Yani. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Yani. Ten, ten, ten. Smile muna para mag-picture. Smile. Isa pa. I-blow mo na kay matunaw na yung candle. Isa pang picture. Isa pa picture, smile. Happy birthday, my heart.